Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a GemPages product page tutorial 2026. So to do this, you want to go to Pages here, and then we can select Start from Scratch. Now here we can select some presets. So we can type in product page, and then all the presets will come up here regarding this. So we can either start from scratch, import a page file, or we can choose from a custom preset in which we can further edit and tailor the specific template to exactly what we need. So we will start from scratch. So click on Start from Scratch, and then you will see the option for the product page template here. Go ahead and click this, create blank page, and then this will create the blank page template for us to build upon. So that's already good. So as you can see, we have the blank page. We can get started with adding sections. So click on this, and then you will see different options here. We have the hero section where we can advertise specific products, etc. Or we have things like product breakdown. So go ahead and look for exactly what you want. So I want to do a product list page for my product page. So go ahead and select one of these and select one that applies to you most. So if you sell a lot of items, you might want something like this where it is easily visible to view all of your products in smaller pictures. So you can put more items on the one page, or something like this. So it depends really on your business and the type of thing that you want to be doing your products for. I will use this one. You just click and drag it, and then you will see them here. So if you have products pre-existing in your Shopify store, they will be automatically synced up from here. Or you can press Add Product here, which will take you to your Spotify page, to your Shopify page, and which you can add products. So for example, I will add a product quickly. So when you want to sync from Shopify, you can press Add Product. So press Sync from Shopify, and then you'll see this come up here. And then you can go ahead and pick product, press Sync. Then as you can see, that will automatically put this here. So it is putting some random writing, so we can go ahead and edit all of these texts. So go ahead and customize and tailor the text and the different options in accordance to what you're selling. So go ahead and change the titles here, so you can select modern, vintage. And if you click on here, you can go ahead and view the tabs here. You can add new items. So as you can see, that has been added here. So say, for example, that I want to change this to new, and go ahead and do that. And you can see when I click on these, they will be doing this. And as you can see, you can change the layout here. So in the sections here, if we click on this, we can go to here and select which one will be the default option when you open it up. So if you only want to add specific ones to a specific page, for example, go on vintage, and we can press delete. And I don't want this one here either. So you can go ahead and add different ones, add different products and different pages here. So as you can see, this one is staying up on here. So you can go ahead and populate all of these. So if you want to add more products, you go to here, press edit, and then you can pick products. And these will be all in your store. So you need to make sure that you go to your store here, go to products, and make sure you add all your products here. And then you'll be able to sync them up and add them here accordingly to where you want to add them to. So if you want to edit some of these, you can click on, for example, section and edit the appearance of this, for example. You can choose different layouts. However, I like the first layout, like first layout that we had. If you want to delete anything or undo, you can press undo and redo here. If you want to view how it looks on different devices, you can go ahead and do this here. So if we click on the layer tree, you can go ahead and view how the different layers are placed on each other. So section 1, you can see in this column here, and you can see it's been highlighted. You have different rows here, different tabs, etc. here. If you want to add more sections, you can go ahead and add blank section, generate layout, or choose from templates. So go ahead and do that. So we can click on sections or whole templates. So to say that you just want a footer saying about your details, you can go ahead and pick something like this, and you can go ahead and view and filter out the specific type that you want. So for example, if I want this footer, I can go ahead and add this, insert, and you'll see it's been added down there. If you want to view on the full screen, you can do this. And to edit it, you just go ahead and click in where you want to edit and edit all of these. The main thing that you need to worry about is making sure all of your products come onto here on a page that you want, and you have pre-selected from the specific presets of the templates, or that you have designed your own product. And then you can go ahead and add specific items into different menus here. There you go ahead and press save and upgrade to publish. I already have published a page, so I cannot do this. So yeah, I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.